Crypto Crew, Crypto B here, bringing you another deep dive into the crypto universe, fueled by your curiosity and driven by recent headlines. Today, we're unraveling the concept of tokenization, a buzzword that's reshaping finance thanks to a Trump-linked firm's innovative venture into tokenizing resort debt. This episode was sparked by your comments requesting a closer look into starting in the crypto world, so let's dive right in. Exciting news from the crypto world has just landed. A Trump-linked firm has made a splash by tokenizing resort debt, bringing structured credit into the crypto space. Viewer requests have poured in, especially from young enthusiasts eager to dive into crypto. Let's unravel this together. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of crypto, a place of endless possibilities and risks. Why it matters. The recent tokenization of resort debt by a Trump-linked firm marks a significant move. But what does this mean for the market? Background. Tokenization is the process of converting rights to an asset into a digital token on a blockchain. Let's explore why this is revolutionary. Key concepts. Tokenization and its role in modern finance. Current state. The Trump-linked firm's venture into tokenizing resort debt has made headlines. But why? We'll dissect the strategy and its implications. Why it's important. This move could signal a new era for structured credit markets and crypto. Potential impact. How tokenization of assets like resort debt could transform investment strategies. Technical details. Simplifying the blockchain technology behind tokenization. Real examples. The Trump International Resort Debt case and its significance. Viewer question. Addressing advice for a 14-year-old aspiring to make a mark in the crypto world. Real-world application. How tokenization is being used in various sectors beyond real estate. Practical implications. Understanding the benefits and risks of investing in tokenized assets. Key takeaways. Tokenization could revolutionize how we invest, but it's vital to stay informed and cautious. Keep those questions coming, and let's continue to explore the dynamic world of crypto together. So, diving deeper, why is tokenization such a game changer? By turning physical assets into digital tokens, we unlock liquidity and make these assets accessible to a broader range of investors. It's like slicing a pizza into enough pieces so everyone at the party gets a bite. The Trump-linked firm's approach to tokenizing resort debt is particularly intriguing because it merges the real estate sector with blockchain tech, offering a perspective on investments. But let's not forget the technical magic behind tokenization. Blockchain technology. Imagine a ledger that's not just on one computer, but is shared across thousands, making it nearly impossible to tamper with. This transparency and security are what make blockchain an ideal platform for tokenization. Now, for the young guns aiming to dive into the crypto world, here's my advice. Start by learning the basics of blockchain and crypto. There are loads of free resources online that can demystify the jargon. Get involved in communities, listen to podcasts, and follow channels like this one. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the volatile world of crypto. But most importantly, always practice safe investing. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and do your homework before jumping into any investment. Wrapping up, the tokenization trend highlighted by the Trump-linked firm's foray is just the tip of the iceberg. As the crypto world continues to evolve, so do the opportunities and challenges. For the young enthusiasts out there, the journey is just beginning. Stay curious, stay cautious, and let your passion for crypto guide you. That's it for today's deep dive, folks. Remember, we drop new videos daily based on your requests, so keep those comments flowing. Until next time, keep hodling, and let's make some smart moves together in this crypto journey.